If you start working out with Praveen, I don't know how you guys manage it. That's what we get it. But if you manage it, he will for sure give you results.
Hey guys, warm welcome to body.Coach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm doing my favorite breakfast smoothie. I'm using Isopure. Isopure is one of the best proteins. I personally recommend that and I personally use that. So let's go and see the recipe. A super simple recipe requires only 4 ingredients. First here I'm going with soy milk, unsweetened. I'm taking 100 ml of the same. You can go in for almond milk or oat milk also, natural and unsweetened. Then I'm going in for 30 grams of avocado. And I have some ice cubes. Lastly, I'm going to add my favorite protein powder. So I'm adding 1 heaping scoop of chocolate protein. There you go. And my yummy-licious, delicious breakfast smoothie is ready. And here goes my yummy, delicious smoothie. I'm just gonna dress it up with 1 teaspoon of chopped almonds and it's ready for breakfast.